Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to schedule a post on Buffer. So first of all, you type in buffer.com. So it will automatically take you to the Buffer homepage. So when you get here, you navigate to the login button or get started now button. Alright, so if you have an account with Buffer, you just click on login, but if you don't have account with Buffer, click on get started. Alright, so it automatically take you to the sign up page. So all you have to do is to put in your email address and create a password. So you have to take note of all this information or details over here. So what you do, you make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, all right, and it contains an uppercase character and also a number or symbol, whichever one you choose to select. All right, so once you are done, you click on sign up. So automatically you have created your Buffer account with ease. All right, so but since I already have an account with Buffer, I'll go to login instead. Alright, so this is the login section. I'll put in my email, then my password. So we are here. So before I go further, I would like to explain something, because this is a free plan Buffer account. So on a free plan Buffer account, you are only allowed to connect 3 of your social channels. Alright, so I already have 2 of my channels connected to my Buffer account. Alright, so what you will do, you select any social channel of your choice or whichever one you are using, you connect it, you just select it here. You can go down and see the rest of it. We'll have YouTube, TikTok, and the rest. So whichever one you want. We also have the Pinterest. Alright, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see the prompt, then you follow it. Just put in your login details. Once you put in your login details, you click on connect. That is it. You are connected to it. Alright, so then apart from the 3 channels or limit on a free plan account, you can't actually access your engage section because you are using a free plan. You can't also access the analyze section. Same reason also. So if you're using a free plan, you can't access these two: engage section and analyze. Alright, so that is it. So once you are done connecting your social channels, then you move over to new post. That's to start creating your content. Alright, so you click on this, then this will pop out. So you can choose to create the content on both of your social channels. Let's say your X and your LinkedIn. You can select the both at the same time. So once you are done creating your content and schedule it, it will automatically go live on the date and time you schedule it to go live. So in this case, I'll be using just my LinkedIn account. Alright, so down here you can see the preview section. So whatever thing you are doing here, you'll be seeing the preview of it over here. So let's start. Okay, automatically you can see this over here. It's being previewed. So you will now add a video or an image, whichever one you want to use. You can also drag it down to here. Alright, or you click on select a file. Alright, so once you get here, just click the image you want, then you click on open. Automatically it will upload. You can see it's uploading. Alright, that's it. So over here from the preview section, you can see what you are doing. So this is exactly how it will appear on your social channel, on your LinkedIn channel. Alright, so you come over to the add to queue, then you click on the drop down arrow. Now you can decide to share this post right now. It will go live on your LinkedIn account this very moment. You can also choose share now or schedule post. Alright, so let's say you want this post to go live next week, but due to your activities that very day, you might not be chance, so you choose to schedule the post on that very day. So what you do, you click on schedule post, then you choose the date and the time. Let's say you want it to go live on the 23rd of July. You click 23rd. Then the time, let's say you want it to go live 9 a.m. You click here, 9 a.m. If you also want it to go live 9 p.m., you can change it down here. So let's go with 9 a.m. So you click schedule. Automatically we have scheduled our post. So you can go over to the calendar to see it. It's on queue right now, so it's on queue already. So you can also go to calendar to see what you did. Come down to 23rd of July. You can see it over here. So on the 23rd of July, by 9 a.m., automatically this post will go live on LinkedIn without you going to your LinkedIn or trying to do any post or whatever. So you don't need to go over to your LinkedIn once you've already done this. So on 9 a.m. on the 23rd of July, it will automatically go live on your LinkedIn account. Alright, so that is it. So down to the start page. On this start page, you can create or customize your landing page or website. Alright, so once you click here, it will take you to the template section. So you select the template that best suits your business or your brand. Alright, okay, let's say Emmanuel. Once you click on Emmanuel, you input your brand or business name, then you click next, then start adding your own business properties, all right, and details. So that is it for buffer post scheduling. So please, if you find this very helpful, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips. Thank you.